Go through school, you read all these books, and there's this dimly placed author. Who's the author? Who's this person who wrote this thing? The Marino Workshop offers a chance to have the author come out from the pages. And it's an experience you never have with an author, except maybe a couple times in your life, and all the incoming freshmen will have this chance with the Marino author coming in.
The Marino Workshop introduces students to a recent work by an international author. During new student orientation, students will have the extraordinary opportunity to meet with and hear from the author about the novel and about the life of writing.
On one hand, you can begin to meet your new classmates and interact with them, and on the other hand, you can begin to analyze works in ways you didn't in high school.
Someone who would later become one of my best friends at Georgetown sat down next to me, and we just kind of started a conversation, shooting the breeze, all of that, talking about what it was like to be a freshman at Georgetown. It was just one of the beginnings of kind of those new relationships that you form coming into college, and it was a great way to meet someone new.
So I came in undeclared into the college, and funny enough, this experience has really impacted my decision to become an English major.
I think attending the Marino Workshop puts you in the mindset of college life and getting into the academic year.
Coming and really participating in the Marino Workshop really helps you get a good introduction to what that discussion is like at a college level. It helps you get kind of started thinking in that analytical mindset, and it really helps lay the foundation for what those discussions are going to be like in college.
Welcome, Hoyas.
Welcome, Hoyas.
Welcome, Hoyas.
Welcome, Hoyas.
Welcome, Hoyas. I'll see you at the Marino Workshop. Find out more about this year's author and the Marino Family International Writers Workshop at library.georgetown.edu/Marino.